then I talked also with him after the interview, after we made the interview. And then it was much easier, and we had a great conversation, really amazing conversation. It was even better than the interview. Sure, the interview was also great, but yeah, then I guess we just was letting go from it. And that was also not the reason why I just started recording this video. I don't have a script. I just made it with the flow because something in me or divine just told me, hey, now make this video.
Yeah, what we have here. Oh, this boosts your testosterone level. Really, this is skyrocket.
Alright, I just felt to make this video now because, yeah, I'm in a dark hole of my finances, and it's also not so easy to talk about that, but it just show me vulnerable, because when we don't show ourselves vulnerable, we can't heal and grow, right? And that's a big learning what I want to share with you, that it is okay to ask for help and support, and then also actually to just do the stuff, So let's say you get help from a coach in a specific life area and you learn something, then also just make sure to implement it, right? So it doesn't matter if it's now your health, if it's like me now with the financial situation. And one of the most important things is to just make your own experiences and don't consume too much, right? So just make it. Just fucking make it and put a fucking work in, right? So, and I saw also now that in the spiritual community there is this manifestation in quotes, and this mentality that, yeah, you attract everything and you just have to believe in it. And no, bullshit, it's so fucking much more. And sure, yes, I say also you need to believe in that what you're making, right? And you have to believe in your dream life. You have to believe in that you can build your dream life. And I said one point, I said one thing on top, and this is have faith. Faith is even stronger, really. Have faith in that what you're doing. Just knowing, crown chakra, knowing that you achieve your goals, no fucking matter what, no fucking matter how dark looks now your situation. And by the way, on that point, I'm completely honest with you, only because I make here on YouTube some videos or some podcast episodes, it don't mean that I have to be another person when I just sit here in front of this camera and record a video. I talked also 2 days ago with a friend of mine. So I made an interview with him, and yeah, it was really interesting because when we started to recording, then we was going directly in another role, right? And we always play a role. So now I play this role, Felix, the YouTuber, podcaster, coach. Yeah, to just this guy who just try to give his message out in the world, because he knows he has much to offer, he has much value, and he can change a lot of lives. And this is also what still drives me, you know, to help others also to achieve their goals. And only we struggle right now in one life area, it don't mean that we, or yeah, I just think right now about it how I say it, but it don't mean that we have to suffer in the other life areas only because we, in quotes, suffer or struggle, because suffer is also just a choice, right? It's just everything in our mind. It just comes from the inside out, but we don't need to be suffer in the other life areas. So, and then I talked also with him after the interview, after we made the interview, and then it was much easier, and we had a great conversation, really amazing conversation. It was even better than the interview. Sure, the interview was also great, but yeah, then I guess we just was just letting go from it. And that was also not the reason why I just started recording this video. I don't have a script. I just made it with the flow because something in me or divine just told me, hey, now make this video. It's probably can help someone who is also in a similar situation, or you don't have to be in a financial situation, in a dark hole. So it can be also in another life area. Completely doesn't matter. It does not matter. And on this point, I also just ask here for support and help, and there's nothing bad on that. So I have down there in my YouTube description, I have also invitations and gifts for you, and how you can support this channel. I have also a PayPal button, so where you can support this channel, that I can make more great stuff here on that YouTube channel and build my coaching program even better. So yes, and also I have a link there for personal guidance for a free coaching session. So, and so much to that. And now I just also want to speak about the challenge I started now. I started now a 90-day challenge. And there I start now also to document my process. It's a 90-day challenge, and I said I go jogging now 6 days in a week. I theoretically could make 7 days, no problem. But as we all know, we need also rest, and it's just part of life, like negative and positive, dark and light, above and below, etc., etc. Everything is important. Everything has its right to be here. So because of that, 6 days in a week, for every day, go jogging, and to just hold myself. Damn, I just go up in front and back, because I just try. That's this webcam. I actually recorded with a webcam. That this webcam focus a bit, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So, right, it's the content that matters. So it's the message that matters. It's the energy that matters, right? So, yeah, sometimes I just drive off topic, but when you follow me now a bit longer, so you see I am really philosophical and just, yeah, like to talk with you guys. So, but and give you motivation and inspiration. But yeah, back to the 90-day challenge. I make now this challenge, 90 days, and you can also join my group. The only thing you have to invest is your time and your effort. And yeah, to just the willing to become a better version of yourself. And what I experience now myself, when you set yourself accountable, it pushes your self-confidence extremely, extremely. And when you just go out and when you have also others to push forward, a community that supports each other, right? So that's really, really important. And let's see, today is day 5 or day 6. Yesterday I made a break at day 5. So today is day 6, and now we just go run. My girlfriend and me, we go run. Also with the dog. So then he comes also outside. It's also a good thing. So, but yeah, and that is a really good thing to boost your self-confidence. And then we go also for ice bath, and that's also even more a booster for your self-confidence and for your health also. And by the way, I make also a blank challenge, also same principle, 90 days, 6 days in a week. So blanks I made now, by the time I record this video, I broke my record, 6 minutes, 7 seconds. So yeah, let me know if this sounds interesting for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you have also similar struggles. Day 6 from the 90-day challenge, and just short about the challenge. And first we was now in a ice plunge here on the lake, and yeah, I guess my boo-boo loved it also. I think she's also pretty warm, right? Yeah, pretty warm. So, and yeah, we feel really, really good, and I can recommend this to everyone, or at least cold shower, because it boosts so much your self-confidence, your immune system. It's so incredible. And also back to the 90-day challenge with the jogging and planks. The rules are making this 6 days a week because your body, mind, and soul really needs rest. It's just logic for your growth, right? And this is at least how my challenge works. So, and I decided to make it like that. And theoretically I could make it every day. I don't care at all. But I know that we humans needs also rest. With that in mind, join the group. Let's become together a better version of ourselves. And with that words, have a wonderful, powerful day. See ya in the next one.
Oh yeah, what we have here. Oh, this boosts your testosterone level. Really, this is skyrocket. Some X, 3X in there. 2.5 bananas, so small bananas, let's say 2 big bananas, 400 milliliter raw milk, a bit cinnamon, a bit cardamom, and now I make also a bit of oats in it, but I think just 30 gram, and then in total I eat 80 grams oats, or 100 gram, so but I make only 30 gram in there, because without is the tastiest one, but I want a bit in there, so yeah, it's good, man. Oh yeah. So good. Woo! Alright. Damn. Is she brave or brave? Wow. That's amazing. We said 1 minute, but yeah, she topped this 1 minute. Damn, I'm fucking proud on her. So much mindset. I never thought that she make that longer. Damn, this gives me now extremely motivation to push fucking more. How long do you stay?
I don't know, I feel quite calm down.
Huh?
I feel quite calm down here.
Crazy. She feel quite calm there. I thought about if I go now again in, but no, doesn't matter now. Next time I stay longer. But guys, doesn't matter how long you make it, just fucking make it, do it! So this is the best mindset pusher, and when you make this, the depression don't exist. You ask yourself, what is that?
And then see you in the next video. Follow me for more conscious content, and leave a like here, share the video with your friends, and then see you in the next one. Peace out.